Hello, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Krishna, and Jai Sri Swami Narayan. So right now I am at the station of Ramghat, a station which is located in Ayodhya on the bank of Saryu River, which is also known as the Ghagra River. Because I am waiting for the train here at the Ramghat station in early morning, and the train is coming very soon because I have to go Swami Narayan birthplace, which is located in Chapia Dham, which is one of the village located in Gonda district, that is a 40 kilometer away from the Ayodhya city. So I am going. Already I took a place of Lord Sri Ram in Sri Ram Janmabhoomi newly built temple. So now I am going to take the place of Swami Narayan, who born as a Ghanshyam Pandey in Chapia Dham village, which is located in Gonda district, which is just 40 km away from here. I have to cross the river of Saryu. So you can also see the river of Saryu when I will pass through the train on Saryu river through the bridge. So bolo Sri Swami Narayan ki jai. And even I am also so excited, and I am feeling so excited to go to see and take the place of Lord Swami Narayan in Chapia Dham village. And I will do meditation and everything. I will perform some ritual in Swami Narayan temple. And we know that very well Akshardham temple, which is located in Delhi, that is also dedicated to Swami Narayan only, which is built by the Parmukhji Maharaj, who belong from the Gujarat in 2005. So I am feeling so good here. Really, I can't explain that how I am feeling right now. So I don't know how much time it will take to come the train at this station. So train is coming right now, and even train is also, the station is also so neat and clean. So when the train will stop, I will get on the train to go Chapia Dham, and nearest station is Manikpur. So I will leave this train from in Manikpur, and from Manikpur I will take the bus and auto from Manikpur to Chapia Dham. So let's see how it is a train in Ayodhya also, which is going in Gonda in Manikpur. So many more persons are also going in this time, but there is no lots of crowd, only few persons are there. And let's see inside the train, there is no one. The train is also fully empty, and I am also feeling so relaxed here because there is not too much crowd inside the train. We can see the train is fully empty here. Only few persons are there. Even some armies and policemen also serving on their duty at this railway station, because it is in Ayodhya at Ramghat station. So bolo Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Swami Narayan, Jai Sri Krishna. My train will start very soon. The train has already come, as we know and we can see. So many more persons are also sitting here, and some people are going here and there, and someone is also waiting at the station. I don't know, because maybe some persons have to go another, and the train has just started right now, and just soon it will cross the Ghagra river, which is known as the Saryu river during the Ramayana time. So we'll also see the view of the Saryu river, and also I took a dip in Saryu river also many more times in Ayodhya, because from last 5 days I am in Ayodhya only. And after Ayodhya I will also move in Mathura from Manikpur after the visiting the Chapia Dham, birthplace of Swami Narayan temple. I will take the train from Manipur for Mathura junction, because I also like to visit the birthplace of the Sri Krishna in Mathura. So even let's see how it is the station. It is located also on the very height because of the Saryu river on Ghat, and this is a Ramghat station halt. We can see I am just crossing the Ayodhya city. Let's see the view of Ayodhya city from the Ramghat halt. The city is also looking so good, and just I will cross the Yamuna river. The bridge is started. So let's see the view of Yamuna river. Even the water is not too much here, but after some few distance the water will come, which is flowing in this river. So below Sri Swaminarayan ki Jai, Jai Sri Krishna and Jai Sri Ram.
जय सरयू
So let's see
माता
the view and water
ये
inside
सरयू नदी है।
in this river of Saryu river. This is not Yamuna river. One time I said by mistake Yamuna river because Yamuna river is flowing from Mathura, Vrindavan and Barsana, which is coming from Delhi, from Uttarakhand and from also Agra, because Taj Mahal is also located on the bank of Yamuna only. So let's see the view of this river, Saryu river, because Lord Ram also disappeared in this river only along with Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrughan. So below Jai Sri Ram. So just I crossed the bridge, and in this side there is no lots of water available in this river. Only few waters are there. And I will not take too much time to reach Manikpura station because it is not far away from here. Only I will take only 15 to 20 minutes, and from there I will take the bus to go Chapiadham village. Otherwise I will take auto from there
स्वामी नारायण स्वामी मंदिर की थी और
in Konda district. And so let's see, and you know that very well that Ayodhya is located surrounded by the district of Gonda, Basti, Sultanpur and Lucknow. It is so close from here that it comes under the Awadh region. So bolo Sri Swaminarayan ki Jai, and please like my video and subscribe my channel. So thank you so much.